So, forgive the mic quality, but at April 28th, 2026, at 6:32 p.m., a massive thunderstorm struck down possibly a tree, but a land mass, no than less. This is one of the first time I've ever felt a lightning strike on the ground. Now, forgive me for poorly wording this because of the poorly done education system that I've went through, but that's not really what this video is about. All you need to know is a lightning struck on the ground, causing a bit of an earthquake for 1 second. So and so that it made some stuff in my travel trailer. I'm sorry, our travel trailer. It's not gonna be ours anyway. We'll move to a new one. And, well, of course, improve our tech for better quality as long as you care. We won't be able to do this without you. But more than less, this is probably the craziest thing in history that has ever been recorded in decades, maybe even centuries. I don't know. I all I know is Arkansas is a very underwhelming state based on what I've been through. But this will be considered one of the most strange and mind-boggling moments in history. This is Ace of Pentacles, and you could probably or have already put in 2 times speed because, well, I'm pretty much that slow. But I will be sure to improve over time and make better content for you as soon as I actually step up and get off my butt. This is Ace of Cubs Family. I hope you're safe. Have a good one. Bye.